You mentioned that you haven't written for Grand Theft Auto 6. What's it feel like Grand Theft Auto 6 returning to Vice City? This is over 20 years later, but the original GTA Vice City game was set in the 80s. So maybe inspired by Scarface a little bit?
Scarface, Miami Vice,
Miami Vice.
and our 80s childhoods. What I realized quite a while ago, unfortunately, was that we made that game and it was set, I think, in 86. And we made it in 2002, so it's 16 years after. And now it's way past 16 years since Vice City came out. So it was, the 80s were not that long ago when we made it.
I think Miami is one of the most unique cities in the world.
Oh, yeah.
Especially if you're thinking about it satirizing American culture. It has this duality of a glossy surface and a dark underworld. It has the influencers, it has the crypto bros, the yachts, bikinis, plastic surgery, sports cars, drugs, cartel cash, luxury, super rich people, and the desperately poor, just the whole of it. Would it be like the perfect city to explore the full cast of characters that are possible, that human nature can generate?
I think it's one of them. There's a reason why GTA kept coming back to Miami, New York, Los Angeles. I think they're all very good for exactly what you laid out. You could say, move it to any of those and it would work.
So yeah, there's a melting pot aspect to New York also, right?
Yeah, a melting pot aspect to LA. There's glitz, glamour, underbelly, immigrants, enormous wealth in all of them. I think those are what I think are really fun for not even just for GTA, but for anything where you want a kind of slice of life, almost like a sort of psychotic version of a Dickens book. This big slice of life. He did it with London. This psychotic version of these, big, all kinds of characters in a melting pot. Any of these global cities work well for that.